Well, hello people, I'm back with another video. Today's video it's going to be me and Mohammed from Asian Life versus two monsters. I would say monsters. Okay, let's go. Those guys have at least skill rank 16 or above, and pretty much everything is maxed out. Okay, let's go. I'm moving with the container collection part. I just got one container here, and I think I'll get some containers on the sea. Let's see. Okay, let's go. I got one container there, and come on man, take it please. Okay. I got that one too. Okay, let's go. Took that one, and I was annoying with my delta there. Okay, my partner took that one. I literally got like two containers here, guys. Just two containers. It's really tough. I should burn those gold supply boost to get. The partner's got another land container from there. He took it and he told me sorry. It's okay, bro. Okay, I don't need containers. Okay. My base development was slow due to I get low containers here, like minimum. Like I didn't literally get any containers here. Okay, let's go. I just going HQ level 3, and I think they were both on HQ level 3 and they were spamming alligators at this time. Okay. I'm building my shipyard to level 2. Both shipyard. My partner told me that he produced aviation and I should produce full fleet, but in this map avia doesn't help a lot. Like bombers help, like those help, but Vertex will die because it's a map full of waters. Enemies should just position their alligators in a manner that should be enough for them. Okay, he was annoying with this Cayman here. That Cayman will die, and my partner only had one torpedo platform there, and okay, the alligators from red are already here. 6-minute mark, and let's see how this will go. 3 alligators. Okay. I told my partner I'll move to that point. Okay, that's a lot of alligators, like a lot. And my partner only has one torpedo, and the torpedo is dead. Okay. I'm moving with my Vikings to somehow defend my partner's base. Okay, there it goes. A clash between alligators and Vikings. Vikings are stronger, guys, but they are slower. That's a problem. Alligators can sneak into our base, like they are a little bit more faster than us. Okay, I'm trying my best to defend my partner here. My partner somehow managed to build a torpedo there. That will help a lot. Okay, and I'm moving. Look here, I'm moving in that line towards that torpedo, so that my torpedo will also help, and my Vikings will be able to hit them more efficiently. Okay, here it goes. My partner managed to repair that torpedo. Okay, I am blocking the middle, not allowing them to come back, like not allowing them to relentlessly attack my partner. Sorry about my small grammar mistakes. I'm not a master in speaking English, but it's okay. Okay, let's go. Okay, and I put a naval production boost. I was on HQ level 3 and I was going full Vikings, because if I stop producing Vikings and go HQ level 4, they will outnumber us, like simply outnumber us. Okay, my partner was going HQ level 4, and that was a small mistake. It's a really small mistake. Okay, let's go. Sorry about that annoying notification. I'm really sorry. Okay, let's go. My partner was microing his Vertex very well. Muhammad plays really good with area. I must admit that he's really good with area. Okay, and here it goes. And I told my partner he need more torpedo platforms around that corner, because they can always sneak in, like 20 alligators can sneak in and almost kill his base. Let's see what will happen. Okay, I'm slowly producing more Vikings, increasing my Viking count. Okay, my partner is also producing Vikings at this moment. He's going for 2 shipyard Vikings. That's really good, bro, because they are going 2 shipyards. We must also do that. Okay, there it goes, there it goes. And I got like about full CP of Vikings here. I'm sure they'll go for land army from now, because resistance players like to use chameleon on navy map. Okay, here it goes. My partner has like 5 torpedo platforms, but that's a lot of alligators, like a lot. Okay, now I'm moving in to attack the red player and the yellow player. Okay, let's go. Come on, my Vikings, you guys can do it. Okay, I'm in a little bit bad position here, but those torpedo platforms, I'm in line with that torpedo, because they will take a lot of alligators down. Okay. And goes, and I put a naval attack boost so that I can move faster into those alligators, and then I'll use a naval strike boost so that I can attack them more efficiently. Okay, I was double tapping my Vikings. When I realized that that won't work, then I did and micro them and attack into that corner. Okay, my partner is in a very big danger there, but I'll somehow be able to. Okay, if they got this HQ, that will be really bad for him. Okay. And I was really close. Oh man, less than inch of life left in that HQ. Okay, I managed to destroy him. Okay. Okay, now we are on the upper hand. Like I got a little bit more of Vikings there, and my partner is also producing more Vikings. Okay, my partner is slowly coming back, and I just mismarked on my Viking there, but I managed to make it escape. Okay. And I told my partner that we are gonna attack the red player because he has less torpedo platforms, as well as we got the more advantage of Vikings. Now here I am going to straight and destroy the torpedoes as well as those shipyards, and my partner will take on the yellow and the red, because my partner has rank 22 Vikings. And it's okay, never mind. Okay, I'm going slowly taking those torpedoes down. I'm just concentrating on those torpedoes. Okay. While those alligators are too much busy with my partner's Vikings. Okay, I managed to destroy those torpedoes, and I told my partner to go straight for the shipyard. Okay, here it goes, and that shipyards are down. Here the yellow player did a mistake that he was going land, and he stopped producing alligators. That's why they lost this much. Okay, I told my partner to move towards my base, and guess what, guys? He's spamming torpedoes. That won't work, bro. I'm gonna spam Poseidons now. Okay, he almost got rid of the red player. They were really strong players, guys. It was a really intense battle, like action from 5 minutes. They were rushing alligators like for real. Okay, my partner has a fair amount of Vikings there. I told him to move to towards my base, and I build 2 rocket towers and 2 bunkers just in case. Okay, now we are in a very good position here. Okay, I will produce like 4 Poseidons. My Poseidons are not maxed out for rank 21. They are rank 19 maxed. Okay, let's go. I'm attacking those torpedoes. Okay, let's come on, take them down. Now the yellow will panic and come with his alligators, and we'll finish him. That was the original plan. Okay, I built some cyclones just in case. Okay, now he came with his alligators, and those are gonna die. And we are charged with the Vikings. We are like lot of Vikings there. Look at that, he is going for JCP. Like I said, resistance players always love to produce land army in ocean map, so that we must produce some defend ourselves, otherwise we'll be dead. Okay, now he's gonna die. Now look, that's a lot of jaguars and chameleon way, but guess what, surprise mother chucker. I got cyclones as well as rocket towers, and my partner has another surprise for him. You'll see. And here it goes, my cyclones are there and my rocket towers are helping out. Okay. Okay, that's the other surprise for my partner. Surprise mother chucker. Okay. Okay, now it's all cleaned up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoy this video, like, subscribe and turn on the notification to all notifications, so that you'll not miss any upload from my channel. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and it's I signing out. Bye and good luck in your battles.